So guys, you can see this is gigabyte.com. This is officially website. You can download driver. Okay, so right side is search key, click to search, then Z890 Z890 UD, and then hit enter. Then you can see here the product. Then click here. Then click to support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you have a Windows 10 now, so you can install that, but follow this same method because installation process same. Audio driver, click to download. So this is install. Okay, then click to downloaded file and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now you can see the audio driver. Then it is done and close it. Chipset driver. So download, this is first one and click download. Then click on downloaded chipset driver. Double click to exe file. Then click to yes. Then close it. It is done. LAN driver and click to download. So it is downloaded. Just single click to downloaded file. Oh, it is not completed. That's why it's showing. Then double click to. Then yes, this is LAN driver. Now this is install Realtek LAN driver for gigabyte. Then it is done and close it. VGA driver. So you can see here, click to download. Then it is done, and just single click. Then click to yes. Then guys, click to yes. You can see you're extracting data and then install. Then it is done, and close it. USB driver. Click to download. And just single click to open. You can see here USB. And then click to yes. USB connector. And then close it.